We're looking at gold GLD, and it seems to be improving a little bit. But keep in mind, when we look at it a little closer, I'm going to just move these a little out of the way. You could see that it bounced back under this 21-day moving average, and we could see our other timing line coming in right at it. I'm going to show you, I'm going to just extend this a little further, and you could see that it really hit that. So here you could see that it hit our higher resistance range, and this is what I like about these bands. That I'm going to use these a lot more. It's good. What I like about it is it's going to really give everybody watching kind of a good feel for the trading range, and we're going to. I'm going to talk about this a lot more. You could see how it held the. Basically, this is like almost the mid-band range here, but you could see how it's actually working a little better than the 21-day moving average. And it's also a lot of the price action has been holding on this action. You could see it hit the higher range, comes to the most extended point, comes in and holds this lower range twice, and prices are bouncing through here. So this is helping, I think, or could help individuals get a good feel for what's going on. Watch this 50% between the move here. I wanted to make sure that that's stressed because you want to see the commitment past this 115 level. We talked about that. Has to get past there if we're going to really see this try to come out. Now, I've been very, bullish or starting to lean bullish on gold, but I started to say that, there was some concern that we may not be out of the woods just yet as we started really not seeing the commitment to the upside as we talked about before. And then we saw the continued sell-off, and I said it could come into this 110 level. We're rather close. We're seeing it try to make a move here. Watch for the commitment past this 114, and then I think 114, 115 for sure. And then if we see that, then I think we'll see a move to 116, maybe 117 a range. But it'll be very important that it'll hold that. Otherwise, any weakness and any break back through this 112.50, and I think we start to head back into the 110 level and then maybe start to trend back here. But I think it's trying to finish its action to the downside. If you look, you're seeing a change in momentum, I think. You see a long downtrend, you see it try to recover, clearly not ready. That's why we were not ready, and we just didn't know if we were going to see a deep move yet or what. So we wanted to wait for that. We see this trying to still broke lower, so that you still have to realize that it may not be over to try to come to that lower range, but it seems like it's trying to improve. And so you got to wait for the commitment there to really show that the lows are in, and this is the new low right here.